Today's dialogue is between a mother and a daughter while cooking together. All right, sweetheart, today we are going to make one of our favorite meals, spaghetti with meatballs. And for dessert, we'll bake some delicious strawberry cookies. Are you ready to learn? Yes, Mom, I'm excited to learn how to make these dishes. Great, let's start with the spaghetti sauce. First, we'll saute some onions and garlic in olive oil. Can you help me chop the onions? Sure, Mom. Perfect. Now, while you're doing that, I'll start forming the meatballs. We'll mix ground beef with breadcrumbs, egg, and some Italian seasoning. Got it. Should I add the onions to the pan now? Yes, go ahead and add them in. And be careful not to let them burn. They're sizzling nicely. Smells so good. Now let's roll the meat mixture into small balls. Make sure they're all about the same size so they cook evenly. Okay, Mom. While you're doing that, I'll get started on the cookie dough. We'll cream together butter and sugar, then add in the flour, baking soda, and chocolate chips. Can I help mix the cookie dough? Of course, sweetie. Here's the spatula. Just be careful not to overmix it. Wow, this dough looks so yummy. I can't wait to taste the cookies. Me too, but first, let's finish up the spaghetti. We'll add the meatballs to the sauce and let it simmer while the pasta cooks. Should I put the cookies in the oven now? Yes, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and then we'll scoop the dough onto the baking sheet. Okay, Mom. Now let's put everything in the oven and set the timer. Meanwhile, we prepare some salad. Sounds great, Mom. I'm so excited. Me too, sweetheart. I'm proud of you for being such a good helper in the kitchen. Thanks, Mom. I love spending time with you and learning from you. Now it's time to practice with me. Yes, Mom, I'm excited to learn how to make these dishes. Sure, Mom. Got it. Should I add the onions to the pan now? They are sizzling nicely. Smells so good. Okay, Mom. Can I help mix the cookie dough? Wow, this dough looks so yummy. I can't wait to taste the cookies. Should I put the cookies in the oven now? Okay, Mom. Sounds great, Mom. I'm so excited. Thanks, Mom. I love spending time with you and learning from you.